This is another installation of our robotic ATS. As you can see, the system is fully installed, and at this point, the client can start the generator and changeover right in the comfort of his room with a remote control. And this is how the remote control looks like. This is how the remote controls look like. So from anywhere inside the house, the generator and changeover can be operated with this remote control. The location is Lakeview Estate. Lakeview Estate is situated close to Aja Under Bridge, Lekki, and this is the environment. As you can see, this is it. So one key benefit of this system is that it helps saves diesel. And why, you may want to ask, on restoration of power, the generator shuts down automatically, and the changeover also engages NEPA automatically. So you don't need to come out to do your changeover, or you don't need to come out to off your generator once power is restored. Once power is restored, everything happens automatically. And especially considering the price of diesel nowadays, which goes for 310 naira and thereabouts for per litre. So with this system, you can actually save yourself a lot of diesel. So call on us if you're interested, and we'll come render this service to you. This service is both economical and also convenient.